Indian cookie. Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very well. So I had visited Jamie's Pizzeria, which is in Thane now. I used to often watch Jamie Oliver on TLC as well as on Fox Life, and I really admired his cooking a lot. I never actually thought in my wildest dreams that I'll be getting to taste his recipes, and I'm really happy that I got to taste it from this restaurant. So the pizzas, gnocchis, dessert as well as pastas and salads all are really tasty, especially the pizzas. They are really tasty and I really loved. It was very different from the pizzas which we normally eat. So take a look at this video. I have made a review video of the food which I tasted over there and I really loved it, and the rates too are really nominal. So definitely visit here and give it a try because I'm sure you'll like it. And the pizzas are very different. You have even seafood pizza. So here I am at Jamie Oliver's Pizzeria, which is located at Viviana Mall in Thane. So I came here expecting something else, but it was really amazing. I had assumed that it will be costly, but it was not costly at all. As well as the ambience was amazing. It was a small place, but it was really well made up, as you can see, with so many beautiful paintings as well as many pictures of Jamie Oliver kept here and there. So all the paintings which was made on the walls was mostly about Mumbai and how Mumbai city looks, and that really made me feel so good and so cozy. It's not very big, but the crowd is really good and the people working over here are really amazing. There are various options for drinks, like many different kinds of juices, cocktails as well as beer too is available, but I opted for a lemonade. It was really well prepared. So the first dish I ordered was gnocchi. Gnocchi is a typical Italian dish made from flour and potatoes mixed with some cream and cheese, and it's really amazing. It's very tasty to eat, so you should try this Italian dish surely. And the next thing was Greek market salad, and this was fresh Greek salad and various kinds of leaves. It was really green, refreshing and amazing, and filling too, with a lot of cheese and a beautiful dressing included. So after that I decided to go for the pizza, which was the king of the menu, and I decided to go for this Roman pizza. And believe me, it was so different and so amazing, and it tasted really very different from the usual pizzas which we have here in India. So this gets served along with some chili oil as well as some olive oil. You should try both of them on your pizza and you can see a difference in the taste of your pizza. I really loved it and my mouth is even watering right now too. Now whenever I go to Viviana Mall, I always step into Jamie Oliver's Pizzeria and I really love eating over here. So I would really recommend this to y'all, and I would say that it is real value for money. So for Jamie's Pizzeria, I would like to rate in this way. Taste would be 5 out of 5, ambience would be 4 out of 5, service is 5 out of 5, value for money would be 5 out of 5 because yes, it's great value for money. So guys, now let's move ahead and I'll show you how to prepare Dalgona cookies from the Squid Games. Hey guys, have you all watched Squid Game? Have you all ever tried making the Dalgona cookies from the Squid Game series? Well, it's very easy to make and even y'all can try it, and here's the recipe for y'all. So we are all ready to make the Dalgona cookies. So first we are greasing this flat iron pan with some oil like this. So grease it with oil, or any flat pan like this. If you have at home, you can just grease it with oil. So first thing you can do this and keep. So next thing what we'll do is we'll start heating the sugar on a non-stick pan. So let's do that. Start your flame and put 2 teaspoons of sugar in your pan. And now let the sugar melt. Keep the flame low. Just keep stirring the sugar with a spatula till it becomes amber color and till the sugar melts completely. So watch out for that. Keep stirring. It will take a while to do so. So just in 1 minute this got melted, and look at this, it has become a beautiful amber color. So this is how it should look. This is the color which we are looking for. So now as soon as this has got melted, switch off the stove, put a teaspoon of baking soda into this and mix it like this. It will all start fluffing up. Now very quickly add this to your silicone mat and press it like this. Now place a cookie cutter over it like this and remove it. Look at this. Now you can remove this gently and take a look. Your cookie is ready. Squid Game cookie. Make this yourself too. Can you believe that this Dalgona cookie was made by a 12-year-old boy? So it's so simple. So now get up and go and make. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple. Simply City.